Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make coconut burfi at home. We just need 4 to 5 ingredients to make this recipe. Come on, let's get started. So to a pan, I have added around 2 teaspoons of ghee, to which I'm adding 1 cup of desiccated coconut. I'm going to roast it for a few seconds. You can also use freshly grated coconut to make this recipe. If you're going to use freshly grated coconut, just grind it coarsely using a mixer grinder and then add it so that you'll get the exact consistency. To this, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of milk and half a cup of sugar. Mix it well until the sugar dissolves. So we are going to cook this on medium flame until it thickens. To this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of corn flour. This is to bring a consistency and this acts as a binding agent. And this is the exact consistency that we want. And now to this, I'm going to add a drop of food color. You can add any colors of your choice. Mix it well. And now this is ready. I'm going to turn off the flame. Grease some oil or ghee to a pan. And now when the mixture is hot, I'm going to transfer it to this bowl. Spread it evenly. And now I'm going to cut it into desired shapes. You can make any shapes that you prefer. And to top it, I'm using an almond piece. You can also use cashew nuts. So let it cool down completely, after which it will completely set. It will take around an hour or two for it to completely set. And now this is ready. Just look at the consistency. This is a very simple dessert that you can make at home and kids will definitely enjoy this. Definitely give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.